Hi, my name is Betsy Bopsy, and I am a reseller. And I have a wholesaler that I buy from in Oregon. I live in North Carolina, and we do like a FaceTime call, and I buy everything, and then she ships it to me. And I never remember what I purchased by the time I receive it. So we're going to do an unboxing. There's 4 of these bags full of clothes that I purchased, but I honestly, I don't remember. I don't remember anything that I got. So, we're going to do a little like unboxing reaction video, and I'll show you what I purchased from my wholesaler in Oregon. Well, she's in Vancouver, Washington, but she shops the bins in Portland, Oregon. And I used to live in Portland, Oregon. And in Portland, Oregon, there's 2 bins, Goodwill outlet bins, stores in this, like you can get to easily. Here, in North Carolina, there are 2 bins in North Carolina. Both are like 2 hours away, hour and a half away, or South Carolina, which is, 3 hours away. So yeah, okay, anyway, here's what I got. So this is a camouflage hoodie, and it is the brand Nike. So it is a Nike camouflage hoodie, and Nike is, their headquarters are in Portland, Oregon, so she can get cool stuff there. So there's that. Also, Pendleton is in Portland, Oregon, and this is a Pendleton flannel shirt, a women's flannel shirt. And then also, this is a dress. This is, oh gosh, what is this? This is the Pyramid Collection. You see the tag on that? Look at the embroidery. This is gorgeous. Paisley. It's like a maxi dress, summer dress. That is gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? It's one of those little, look at it. My head feels cold. Hi, Cookie, look. And do you approve? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Do you like my hat? Do you like my hat? It's a shower cap. Or like a 20s like swim cap. Oh, I want to go like synchronized swimming. Do you want to go synchronized swimming? Do you? This is sexy. Oh my God. I think I look like a cupid. I think I look like a cherub. Do I look like a cherub? Do I look like a cupid? Okay. What else do we get in here? This is Ted Baker. Anything Ted Baker, I buy. This is a sweater, and I believe it is fabric made in London. The fabric is in China. I think it's wool, but let me see. It is acrylic polyamide viscose polyester elastane. Man, I'm shocked. It's nice. It's soft. That's a nice sweater. I also got, oh, this is freaking cool. This is like, oh, that's the back. This is the front. Look at that. That's like goth core. I always pick these up, like Hot Topic, schoolgirl, goth core, you know? Yeah. And the brand, I don't think this has a brand, but it's totally like Hot Topic vibe. I wonder if there's like Hot Topic core. They should have it. Hot Topic core. I think this would be a Hot Topic core. I think my head's gonna start getting itchy soon. If you know what I mean. It is tight. It's gonna start cutting off the circulation. I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference, but these are cute. These are plaid shorts. Super cute, right? This is the brand I was trying to yeah, I don't know. I was gonna sound smart and give you something, and I can't. These are really nice though. They're like cotton. Yeah, I have no information for you. I'm sorry. I need to look at this. This is a Fossil wallet. Is that cute? Look at that. She always finds the cleanest like stuff, man. These pants are Oakley. Yes. Look at these pants. These are Oakley pants. They're like Gorpcore, outdoorsy. Nice. Nice pants. Is this Free People? No, this is Garnet Hill. Look how gorgeous. It's like crocheted up here and then really, really lightweight. That is the tag Garnet Hill. You see it? And then, oh, so cute on the back. It's got like these buttons in the crochet. It's so pretty. It's like a smoky purple gray color. It's really pretty. These are shorts. I don't remember these at all. Did I get these? Look at these. They're sweater shorts. They're sweater material. Look at that. Oh, I forgot about these. Yeah, those are sexy. Don't wear those to a football game outside when it's raining, though. That'll be a bitch. Okay, this is Lacoste, and I usually always pick up anything that is Lacoste. And this is a sweater vest. I'm trying to show you it. I don't know that I'm doing it justice. It's a sweater vest, but like the collar is like one of those V-neck. See what I mean? Like that. Yeah. Lacoste. Oh, did I show you the tag? Here's the tag. And that is bag number 1. So I have 3 more bags. Oh, it's got a little alligator thing on the pocket. Look. Look at that. Can you see it? It's like shiny. I've never seen that. Okay, so I'm going to peel this off my head, and then that's a good look right there. That could be a good thumbnail right there. I mean, yes. I can't wait until Shelly and I have another call, because this is how I'm answering it. That's the only reason I bought it, was so that I could answer her call with this on my head. All right. So that's bag number 1. And if I remember, I will show you 2, 3, and 4. Thanks for watching. Bye.